What is your outlook about the HVAC industry this year?
The outlook is good. I think there's a lot of activities in the market currently. I think there's more and more focus around sustainability, especially on energy efficiency. So I think that this year and the coming years will be good. We will save a lot of energy and we will do a lot for the environment.
So how does Novenco aims at energy efficiency in development of the products and ventilation fans?
We're doing that in many ways. I think our prime is to install as many fans as possible because that will reduce the carbon emission globally. But I think for our own, we have signed up for science-based targets. So that means that we are currently making a plan for our own production, also for our own operation, how we can reduce energy, how we can reduce carbon emissions for 2030 and to 2050. So becoming neutral.
In what sectors your products are used?
Our sectors are used in a widely broadened scale of different industries and sectors. So we are working with comfort ventilation, we are working in different industries, all cooling, heating applications, also more and more data center cooling. That is becoming a bigger and bigger application for us also.
Please talk about the use of IoT for environment into manufacturing.
We are looking into it, so we are not there yet, but we are working with IoT more and more so that we secure that we can follow the performance of our fans and that we can change the performance of our fans to the different needs. So definitely that will be also become a big thing in our industry.
How do you assess the needs of the market?
I think at exhibitions like this, where we can talk with a lot of customers, see what our competitors are doing, that gives us a lot of information and a lot of ways to work with that also for the future.
All these products are made in India?
Currently we are producing in Denmark, so that is our prime, but we are looking into setting up some kind of assembly here in India so that we can serve this Indian market, but maybe also Southeast Asia in the future.
How Novenco's AHUs, air handling units, contribute to energy savings?
I think the heart of an air handling unit is the fan. So that is where you have the energy consumption mostly. And the more you can reduce the energy efficiency, or the more you can have energy efficiency in your fan, that will make the air handling unit more energy efficient.
What are the key applications of axial fans?
Of axial fans, I think axial fans can be used in quite all applications. Today, plug fans are the main fan in air handling units, but I see more and more changing to axial flow fans also because that is normally more efficient.
What are the features of the Jerex fans?
The future, I think we have a bright future. I think what we are aiming for with our fans is that we have a very high efficiency. We have a very long lifetime of our products. And at the end of lifetime, we have a very high recyclability, up to 98%. So that means a lot for us and the future of the Jerex fan.
How do you incorporate sustainability in your products?
I think what we have done is that we have actually worked in our design phase with designing for recyclability. So that is one of the things. And then we are looking into, the materials that we use generally are reused materials like steel, aluminium. We will look more into using more reused aluminium because that is also a game changer.
And what steps are taken to achieve CO2 neutrality by 2050?
That is, that we have committed ourselves to science-based targets. So that means that we will have a plan for reducing our carbon emission towards 2030, and also again becoming neutral in 50.
Tell us something about the car park jet fans.
The car park jet fans, yes. I think what we say in Novenco is that we are moving air for a greener and for a safer world. The greener is everything we do with energy efficiency. For the safer side, that is where we do smoke extraction, and car park is one of them.
What are the benefits or advantages of being a member of AMCA?
I think there's many that we have a proven record with the products, and that we have a product that delivers a certain standard. I think that is important for the industry also, that we keep working with the standards. We keep to have higher and higher standards for energy efficiency and for sustainability also, and that we actually have certification bodies that are helping us doing that.
What are the standards you are following for manufacturing the fans?
We are following a lot of different standards. We have the AMCA, we are following Eurowind standardizations. I think we see more and more standardization around, but mostly what we are seeing is around the sustainability and around energy efficiency.
What are your future plans?
The future plans is that to install as many fans as possible, because that will reduce the global carbon emission, making the world more energy efficient, especially here in India. We hope that we soon will be more people in India to serve the global, the growing market here in India.
Thank you very much for sharing.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me. Great pleasure.